Hello students, good evening everybody. Today let us start in class 12 mathematics integration by parts. Okay, like in differentiation we have product rule or UV rule. Like that, in integration also we have one product rule, that is nothing but by parts. If we are given product of two functions in integration, integral f of x into g of x dx. When we are given product of two functions, first function into integral of second function minus integral first function derivative again integral g of x dx whole dx. That is the formula for by parts. So here we have one doubt. How do we select first function and second function? That is the main concept here. We have to take one concept here, ILATE. I-L-A-T. ILATE. Okay. What is ILATE? I means inverse trigonometric functions, inverse T ratios, logarithmic functions, A means algebraic functions. Okay. T means trigonometric functions. E means exponential functions. Okay. So whatever comes first, that we will take it as first function. Next one is second function. Okay. Just remember this. ILATE. I-L-A-T. I means inverse functions, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. For example, let me do one problem. Integral x e power x dx. Here we have two functions, right? One is clearly it is algebraic function, e power x is exponential function. In this ILATE, what do we have first, algebra or exponential? Algebra is first. It comes first. So we have to consider x as first function, f of x equal to x, e power x as second function. Hope it is clear? By taking ILATE function formula, we can choose first function and second function. Here we have algebra first, exponential next. So I am taking x as first function, e power x as second function. What is the derivative of x here? 1. Integral g of x dx is e power x plus c. Now I will apply the formula x e power x dx equal to first function f of x into integral g of x dx. What is the second function integration here? E power x minus integral f dash x means derivative of first function 1, integration of second function, that is e power x, again dx. Right? So after completing integration we will put c. X e power x minus again e power x is there, so e power x plus c. Take e power x common. x minus 1 plus c. So therefore integral x e power x dx equal to e power x times x minus 1 plus c. That is the formula. Okay. So first function into integration of second function minus integration of first function derivative integration of second function whole dx. Okay, that is the formula. How do we choose the first function and the second function? That is by using formula I late. I means inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. So whichever function comes first, we have to consider that as first function. Okay, let us see one more. Next one, x square e power x. X square times e power x dx. Same, this is algebra exponential. Which function is first here? Algebra. So let me take f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to e power x. So f dash x, derivative of x square is 2x, integration of e power x is e power x only. Okay, now I will consider x square times e power x dx equal to first function into integration of second function e power x minus integral f dash x, first function derivative 2x into again integration of second function whole dx. So x square e power x minus 2, you keep it out, x e power x dx. Integration is not yet over here. What should you take? X square e power x minus 2 times. Again we have to apply product rule here by parts. By parts we have to apply again. First function into integration of second function minus integration of first function derivative e power x dx. Okay. Already we got it in the first problem. 2 times x e power x minus e power x plus. So x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x plus c. Take e power x common. So x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. That is the formula, right? Therefore, integral x square times e power x dx equal to e power x times x square minus 2x plus 2 plus. So that is the value of integral x square e power x, right? So I late we have to remember to select first function and second function, right? Hope it is clear. Thank you.